Hi, I'm Rob Jessup, president of Jessup Manufacturing Company. We are a high-tech adhesive coating company that provides adhesive coated films to a global customer base. Our products make the world a safer place to work and play. We're revving up our business and moving very fast to the next level. If you're a high-energy production manager, a born leader who knows how to drive improvements in people, quality systems, inventory velocity, and cost reduction, we need to talk. If you have the vision, guts, conviction, if you collaborate honestly, if you ignite passion, inspire urgency, and most importantly, if you have fun doing it, we want you at Jessup Manufacturing. Please contact us immediately.